how to transfer money from Raiffeisen Bank. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Raiffeisen Bank. So there are multiple options that you can transfer your money. Like if you want to transfer money online or mobile through mobile banking, you have to log into your Raiffeisen online banking or mobile app, navigate to the payments or transfer section and select the type of transfer, domestic or international, or to another account within Raiffeisen. And you have to then enter the recipient's bank details, including their account number and potentially the bank's SWIFT or BIC code for international transfers. And the SWIFT code you will get on to the Raiffeisen website. As you can see, their SWIFT code is here, the given. And after that, you can specify the amount and currency, review the details, and confirm the transfer. You may need to verify the transaction with a one-time password or biometric authentication. You can also transfer money from Raiffeisen Bank at a branch. Visit your nearest Raiffeisen Bank branch, inform the bank teller that you want to make a transfer, provide the recipient's bank details, and indicate the amount and currency. The teller will keep you through the rest of the process. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.